What's up guys, V here, and today I'm just going to show you guys how to clone your hard drive from either a laptop or a PC into a new SSD or another hard drive in case yours is failing or something like that. So the software, the free software I'm using is Macrium, and I will link this page down in the description, so check that out. The things you're going to need is your new hard drive, or in this case we're using an SSD, and for this laptop we're going to go ahead and use this inland USB to SATA connection, so we can just plug our new hard drive or SSD into this and plug this into the laptop. So first thing you're going to want to do is download this home use there, link in the description like I said, and once you download it you're going to want to open the installer from your downloads folder. So once you open that, you'll get a window that you just hit download on there. It's going to actually download the software, and then once it downloads the software, this will open up here, and just go ahead and click next. As you can see, it's the free edition, and it's going to install this software, and then I'm going to show you how to use this. Alright, once that finishes, go ahead and check launch now, click finish. That's what it looks like when it's open. So go ahead and take your new hard drive or SSD in this case, plug it into your adapter. Once you got that plugged in, go ahead and plug it into a USB port. So when you plug in your new hard drive or SSD, I had to switch ports. It wasn't registering on that side, so you'll go in here, click, make sure all these are selected, click clone this disk, select disk to clone to. We're going to select that, the SSD, SATA SSD, as you can see there. Click next. If you get this error, all you have to do is start over. Just go clone this disk, select the disk, and the reason we got that error is because this is only 500 gig and this is 1 terabyte. So here's how you fix that error. Click on that one, and now what you're going to want to do is just drag and drop each one of these separately, saving your biggest one for last. Sometimes they don't drop, so try it again. Now click next, and as you can see, no more error. So just go ahead and click next. We're not scheduling, and go ahead and click finish. You're going to want to select run this backup now, unless you want to do it later, so you can save the backup. So we're just going to do that. Go ahead and click OK, and now you just wait. This might take a very long time, just be patient. Alright, so after a few hours you are all set. That's what you're going to get there. 2 hours 37 minutes mine took. Click OK, then you're good to go. Close this out, and your device is all cloned. Now before you remove it, click on that little arrow in the corner, click on the USB, eject, and once you get that notification there, feel free to remove it. And now you can install this into whatever computer you want. Thanks for watching. Peace.